Buenas tardes, me llamo Julia Pander y voy a catar The Beauties de Delight in the Piazza. These are very popular in Italy. It's the land of naked marble boys. Something we don't see a lot in Windsor even. That's the land of coy boys. I'm just a someone in an old museum, far away from home as someone can go. And the beauty is I still meet people I know. Hello, this is wanting something, this is reaching for it, this is wishing that a moment would arise. This is taking chances, this is almost touching what the beauty is. I don't understand